Every beauty holds up a secret within. Secret for everyone's beauty. Yes, the secret of Victoria's Secret beauty products are gonna be discussed.
Oh, my love. Secret love.
Okay, the Victoria's Secret Latin Gloss lip gloss, which I use. Let me talk about it first. I just love it. I don't know why. No, really, this lip gloss. This is something which makes my lips very nice. Even while using, the taste, the flavor it gives, the smell it produces, and also the after effect. It's fantabulous. You just don't know. You can only experience it. So I would like to suggest this to everyone. Just try it out. It's unexplainable. It can't be explained. You should try to experience the feel. After using this, I swear, I really couldn't find any other product like this. Even before using this, I've used some lip balms, lip glosses, everything, but that doesn't give me this much of fulfillment. Earlier, I used to think, why should I use this lip gloss or something? Because anyhow, they prove to be artificial. It's inevitable. We can't avoid using them because even being in AC, if we are in AC the whole day, automatically our lips gets dried up. Everything, our lips, the skin comes out and it starts bleeding. Everything is there. So we have to use it. It has been mandatory nowadays to use lip gloss because it's a girl thing. Only girls know. They can't even stay in AC for long hours. So that has gave me more impact to use this lip gloss. I mean, generally using lip glosses, not only this one. So I have been using lip glosses for many years, but I didn't find this much impact from any product. I can say even Indian products, but I have only tried 2-3 Indian products before using Victoria's Secret product. Once I started using this, I'm just worried I should get this product always. So I would suggest people to try this. I don't know where these things are available in India. I think you can even try in Amazon. I got it from my husband bought this for me from US, and I'm also searching. I need someone. Once these packets get over, I too. If you can suggest me too, so that I can also buy them. Then maybe there are other Indian products too which work like this, but I haven't tried them yet. And the body mist. The fragrance is ethnic and aesthetic. You should give a try. For an elegant smell, go for this body lotion, Victoria's Secret's body lotion, Electric Beach body lotion. It just penetrates into your skin and it blends well and makes your skin smooth. The NYX mascara, you should try this. You can apply this even without a kajal. It makes your eyelashes look separately and it makes it look wonderful. This is an NYX product and not an Victoria's Secret product. You should try this. This is an exception in our video. These are my list of products suggestion just for you people to try out, whichever I use, just a suggestion.